Okay, real quick, this is a brand new home that was just price dropped $30,000 and is now sitting at $110,000. And yeah, it's small, but it's brand new and it's yours. When you walk in, everything just flows straight through. No wasted hallways, no weird corners. The living space is meant to be cozy on purpose. Couch, TV, chill. If you're coming from apartment life, this already feels like a win. It comes with brand new appliances, clean finishes, no updates needed. Now, there's a spot under the stairs that's super underrated. Could be for a small desk, storage, reading nook, pet space. Every inch here actually has a purpose. So here, this is the first bedroom tucked downstairs. Great if you want separation from guests or just like being on the first floor. Full bathroom right here, walk-in shower, clean, simple, brand new, no sharing bathrooms. I will say one of the downsides is that if you have somebody in your living room hanging out and they have to go to the restroom, they're gonna have to go through that bedroom in order to get to the restroom because there is no other restroom downstairs. So make sure you keep that bathroom clean. All right, let's go ahead and make our way upstairs. This is one of my favorite parts of the home. It's just perfect for some extra space. Could be office, game setup, chill zone, flex space. It just gives you breathing room without needing a huge house. This area is about the same size as the bedroom on the first floor. So now we have our second full bathroom up here, which honestly is huge at this price point. Again, everything's brand new, no surprises. Comes with the stand-up shower, and behind this door you have your water heater. I like showing that stuff because it does matter so you can see it's brand new. New systems, new AC. This is what keeps homeownership simple. Now let's make our way back through the upstairs loft and down this hallway. So right here on our right, we have a double door which leads to your brand new central AC, so it makes it really super easy to change out your air filter. And this is the second bedroom. Good size, solid closet, and it gets nice light. Perfect for a roommate, guest room, or work from home setup. You got plenty of place in here to walk around, move around, set things up. And you're facing the street here, so it feels open but still private. So let's go ahead and make our way back downstairs. There's your second shot of the loft again. So let's go ahead and head back down. You honestly could get some exercise going up and down these stairs, up and down the stairs. So we're back at the living room. This is where most of the life happens. Simple, comfortable, easy. So we're gonna go ahead and step back outside so I could show you guys both sides of the house. So you definitely got some space there, a lot better than an apartment living. So let's go ahead and make our way to the right side of the home, same amount of space, and this will be sod throughout. You will have grass here. As you can see, to the left is your brand new central AC. So I will say the backyard access is through the side gate. You have to come out the front door, walk around to the side in order to walk to your backyard. Not a deal breaker for most people, but just good to know. And here's the backyard, private, fenced, and ready for grass. Enough space to grill, hang out, let a dog run without turning weekends into yard work. And this is the back of the home. Clean lines, simple design. This place is really about owning something that's yours without overbuying. So if you're someone who's okay with small, but wants brand new, low monthly payments, and your own place, this could make a lot of sense. If you want to know pricing, payments, or what it takes to buy something like this, just shoot me a message or give me a call. I appreciate you watching. Peace.